Hey everyone, in this video, I'm sharing how I make a glycolic acid serum. This serum has 9.5% glycolic acid, so it is a high concentration of glycolic acid. If you have never used glycolic acid before, start with a lower percentage or use the serum twice to 3 times a week for the first weeks. I started by adding the liquid humectants to a beaker. I added a small amount of glycerin. In serums, I prefer not to use a lot of glycerin to avoid the feeling of stickiness when applying the serum. I added propanediol. Then, penetylene glycol. You can find the formula on the website with all the information and alternatives to some ingredients. I added xanthan gum soft and stirred it to disperse it. Xanthan gum soft creates transparent products. Unlike regular xanthan gum, which creates more opaque products, you can use regular xanthan gum instead. I added the distilled water. Next, I added citric acid and stirred to dissolve it. I added the glycolic acid powder. I used 99% glycolic acid powder. Glycolic acid, an alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, derived from sugar cane, is known for its small molecular size, which allows it to penetrate the skin effectively. When applied, glycolic acid breaks down the bonds holding dead skin cells together on the skin's surface. More humectants that I used in this formula are trehalose and panthenol. You can find more information on the ingredients I used and alternatives in the written posts. In this formula, I use sodium gluconate. Sodium gluconate is a chelating agent derived from glucose that helps stabilize the serum. It binds to metal ions that could destabilize the formula, helping to keep the serum effective over time. In the written post, I explained more about chelating agents and gave alternatives. The last ingredient I used is the preservative. After adding all the ingredients, I checked the pH. The final pH should be 4. Store the serum in a dark glass bottle and keep it away from heat. Glycolic acid and other active ingredients in serums are sensitive to light. Sunlight can break down these ingredients, making them less effective and changing the serum's formula. Dark glass bottles protect the serum from UV and visible light, helping to keep it stable and effective. The glycolic acid serum should be applied in the evening after cleansing, followed by a moisturizer to hydrate the skin. When applying to the face, use gentle patting motions to press the serum into the skin. Glycolic acid serum can help with oily and acne-prone skin. It can also help to smooth fine lines, improve skin texture, and stimulate collagen production. Glycolic acid effectively breaks down the melanin in dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Over time, it can lighten these areas and promote a more uniform skin tone.